Namaskar. So, this is the finale of my first series of tabla tutorials. As I promised, today I'll demonstrate how to play the Kayda, double the tempo, and how to play variations in the Kayda, and then end the Kayda with a tihai, and it will be done in the teen Taal. So, let's play the bowls. 1, 2, 3, start. Dha, din, din, dha, dha, din, din, dha, dha, tin, tin, ta, ta, din, din, dha, 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 te, te, dha, dha, tina, ta, ta, te, te, dha, dha, dina, dha, dha, te, te, dha, dha, tina, ta, ta, te, te, dha, dha, double, dha, dha, te, te, dha, dha, tina, ta, ta, te, te, dha, dha, dina, dha, dha, te, te, dha, dha, tina, ta, ta, te, te, dha, dha, dina, dha, dha, te, te, dha, dha, tina, dha, dha, dina, dha, dha, te, te, dha, dha, tina, ta, ta, te, te, dha, dha, dina, dha, dha, te, te, dha, dha, te, te, dha, dha, te, te, dha, dha, tina, ta, ta, te, te, ta, ta, te, te, dha, dha, te, te, dha, dha, dina, dha, dha, te, te, dha, dha, te, te, dha, dha, te, te, dha, dha, tina, ta, ta, te, te, dha, dha, te, te, dha, dha, te, te, dha, dha, dina, dha, dha, te, 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 dha, dha, te, te, dha, dha, tina, ta, ta, te, 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 dha, dha, te, te, dha, dha, dina, dha, dha, te, 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 dha, dha, te, te, dha, dha, tina, ta, ta, te, 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 dha, dha, te, te, dha, dha, dina, dha, dha, te, te, dha, dha, tina, ta, ta, te, te, dha, dha, dina, dha, 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 te, te, dha, dha, tina, ta, ta, te, te, dha, dha, dina, dha, 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 te, te, dha, dha, tina, ta, ta, te, te, dha, dha, dina, dha, dha, dha. So I hope my tabla tutorials were helpful for you. You can subscribe my YouTube channel and stay connected with me on Facebook and Skype. If you have any question, any query about tabla playing and anything about tabla, you can talk to me through email. I'll definitely answer you, and stay connected. Lots of love. Thank you very much.